Across this series, we've explored a world where your watch tracks your heart, your ring grades your sleep, apps counsel you, and your prescriptions arrive by mail. Step back, and a bigger picture emerges. You are becoming a quantified patient, a person generating a constant stream of health data, watched over by an ecosystem of devices and companies. In this final episode, we'll zoom out. What does this all add up to? Who owns this intimate data? What can these tools never do? And where is digital health really heading? Let's bring it home. Let's start with the biggest unresolved issue, the one that runs underneath everything we've discussed: your data. The information these devices collect is extraordinarily intimate: your heart rhythms, your sleep, your movements, your fertility, your moods, your glucose, your search for symptoms at midnight. And here's the uncomfortable truth: a lot of that data now lives not with your doctor, protected by strong medical privacy laws, but with technology companies, wellness apps, and device makers, who often operate in a much grayer legal space. That data is valuable. It can be used to target you with products, shared with partners, sold to data brokers, or exposed in a breach. Most people click accept without reading what they've agreed to. This isn't a reason to panic, but it is a reason to be genuinely thoughtful, because who can see your most personal health information, and what they're allowed to do with it, is one of the defining questions of this entire field, and one we haven't fully answered. The second big theme of this series has been a healthy skepticism, so let's state it plainly: more data does not automatically mean better health. It's easy to assume that if some tracking is good, more must be better, but that's not how it works. Data only helps if it actually changes what you do, and a wall of numbers can just as easily overwhelm you, create anxiety over normal fluctuations, trigger false alarms, or give you a comforting illusion of control while you change nothing. We saw this again and again: orthosomnia from sleep scores, panic over normal glucose spikes, obsession over recovery metrics. And there's a deeper limit too. For all their power, these tools cannot replace the human core of medicine: the physical exam, the seasoned judgment of a clinician who can weigh your whole story, and the trust of a relationship with someone who actually knows you. Technology can inform care and extend its reach, but it cannot, on its own, be care. That distinction matters more the more advanced the gadgets become. So where is all of this heading? The direction is clear, even if the details aren't. Digital health is moving toward care that's continuous instead of occasional, always-on monitoring rather than a checkup once a year. Toward care that's predictive, catching problems before they become emergencies, as we saw with the Apple Watch spotting hidden heart rhythms. And toward care that's personalized, tailored to your individual data rather than population averages. The convergence we've watched throughout this series will only deepen: wearables, artificial intelligence, pharma, and virtual care merging into connected ecosystems, like the wearable plus medication partnerships now emerging. Used well, this future is genuinely exciting: more preventive, more accessible, more empowering medicine. But it only delivers on that promise if we get the hard parts right: protecting privacy, keeping the human element at the center, and making sure these benefits reach everyone, not just the wealthy and tech-savvy. The technology is racing ahead. The wisdom to use it well is what we have to build. So let's end with what all of this means for you. The goal of this series was never to make you fear technology or to make you worship it, but to help you use it wisely. And that comes down to being an empowered but discerning user of digital health. Embrace the tools that genuinely help you: the trend spotting, the early warnings, the access, the understanding, and there's real value there. But hold on to a clear head about their limits. Pay attention to trends, not every daily number. Guard your data thoughtfully. Don't let scores rule your mood or replace how you actually feel. And keep real humans, doctors, and your own common sense at the center of your health, with technology as a powerful assistant rather than the decision maker. Digital health is a remarkable addition to your toolkit, not a replacement for good habits, sound judgment, or a clinician who truly knows you. Understand it clearly, and it can genuinely help you live healthier. Thank you for watching this series. Take care of yourselves. This is educational, not medical advice.